Welcome back to another edition of Cue Ball's Cutting Corner. I'm Cue Ball, and today I have a really special unboxing that we're going to do. For many of you in the knife community, you probably know the name Sherif Manganas. Sorry, Sherif, I'm brutalizing your name there. But for those of you who know Sherif, Sharif has been designing knives for quite some time. His background is in industrial design, and he started designing knives, a few years ago, actually. And probably have seen some of his knives by Kubi. He did the Momentum. He also came out with the Veloce and the Kaiser Grazioso. So Sharif has definitely been making a name for himself here in the knife community. And so today I actually received a package from Manganas Steel, and I'm really excited to get to the opening of this knife, take a look at it, and then also take a look at some of the specifications on Manganas's website as well. So let's get right to it. We're going to go down to the table here. And as you can see, here's the box. It is unopened. I have not opened this yet, so we're going to take a look at this together. And let me go ahead and break out. I have the Pony Stout by Devo Knives is going to be our unboxing knife today. So there is a lot of tape on this box. So if you also received this knife from Sharif, just note that he did a very good job of packaging this. So let's see if we can get into this without too much trouble. All right, set that aside. Hopefully that's enough. May need that knife to pry it open. Yep, no worries. And is there any other spots here? Yep. Like I said, he did a really good job of taping this up. All right, hopefully that's enough. And voila, woohoo! Look at that. Let's toss that aside. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. And I got some tape on my finger. Wow, what a really cool box. This reminds me a lot of the premium edition Kaiser knives where you have the black box and then it looks like underneath here you have the double door opening. Oh, get ready for it. Oh, I'm excited. And, oh, we also have the little packet, probably with warranty information in here. And then let's get to the knife. So for those who don't know what this knife is, this is Sharif's latest release, and this is the Manganas Steel Camino. And for those who don't know how to spell Camino, Caimano, I believe I'm right on that. We'll look at the website here in just a minute. Wow, look at this beauty. It's a bigger knife than what I thought it was going to be. But gosh, it's tall, this way, and then also, yeah, it's beefy. Because for those who know me, I have really good sized hands. Oh, look at that purple carbon fiber, and we'll zoom in here in just a minute. But look at that; that is absolutely beautiful. Woo! Sharif, you did a fantastic job. And the back spacer, really nice profile. I really like, when they include the titanium, the mill titanium back spacers, and really nice chamfered hole on this knife. You got the flipper, and then of course the hole deployment. Let's go ahead and give it a twirl here. Oh wow, what amazing action! That is crazy. Look at that blade. That is so sick. Oh my lord. Compound grind. Look at that nice hollow grind here, and then you got the flat out here. You got that harpoon shaped blade. Really, it's a Tonto, like Tonto harpoon compound grind blade. Ugh, that's a tongue twister. And then this is in actually, I think this is S35VN. Yes, S35VN. Gosh, will you look at that knife? It's gorgeous, guys. Ah, Sharif, you did a fantastic job. Oh, nice buttery smooth action. Woo! Strong detent on this knife too. It's going to take a little bit to break this in. Oh my lord, this thing is nice. Wow. 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 Thumb flick. Oh, oh, it's such a strong detent. Wow, that feels amazing. Let's see what else we get. So that's the knife, obviously. It includes some additional hardware, and it looks like an extra pocket clip. Well, that's interesting. So maybe if you want to, send this one out or do your own anodization, it looks like there's some additional, some additional bearings and pivot screws. The whole kit. It's a whole new washer, or excuse me, hardware kit. And then look at this, Manganas. I'm so sorry, Manganas Steel sticker. What a really cool little sticker. I'll have to take and have that off to the side here. And then, of course, you get the certificate of authenticity as well. Take a look at that. There it is, the Camino Tonto S35VN 6062 HRC. And then it was designed 2023. Of course, it's coming out now, 2024. And there it is, Manganas Steel, Sherif Manganas. Awesome. What a really cool unboxing. Now, I keep everything when I unbox. So in case I ever do sell a knife, which I don't sell that many, but when I do, I always keep everything nice and neat. I'm going to keep the sticker out for now, but we are going to take and put this box away so we can look at the knife in a little bit further detail. Let me go ahead and set that aside, and we're going to zoom in just a little bit more. Let's make sure that we bring that sticker into so we can take a look at this. Oh, this thing is just gorgeous. Look at that. The way that the carbon fiber just kind of shimmers, and I hope it's catching that purple. I really do. I mean, it looks to be on my screen here that is catching it fairly well, but that shimmering is just gorgeous. And then, of course, on the other side here, got a nice titanium pocket clip. But man, that blade, look at that blade. Oh, just sick. Absolutely sick. And again, this is a big knife, but it fits my hand perfect. Perfect. This is a very comfortable knife. And I like the fact that you have this harpoon up here that you can just rest your thumb in. At least for my big hand, it's a perfect spot. So if I want to do push cuts, wow. I don't know what to say. The action on this knife is fantastic too, and I just opened this up. Woo! Wow. All right. Well, I'm just going to take and leave that there just for a second so we can look at it in all its glory. What a gorgeous, gorgeous knife. The Camino by Manganas Steel. That's going to be, it's just a tongue twister for me for whatever reason. One thing I also wanted to do, we're actually going to take a look at the internet, and I wanted to show you his website really quick here. And there we go. So as you can see, Manganas has his site. Sherif has his site up here, and I do have it on the Camino. And it says here, introducing the first ever Manganas Steel branded knife. So this is the first knife released under the brand Manganas Steel. And of course, he's had other designs, as I mentioned before. New take on the classic American Tonto, aggressive yet refined, angular yet elegant. It is a perfect expression of the Manganas Steel design philosophy. And of course, it goes into a little bit of details about the blade itself. And you can reach his website at www.manganassteel.com. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Natural micarta, or it comes in the fat carbon fiber. I had to go for the fat carbon fiber. So obviously it has ceramic ball bearings. And there's the length and dimensions. So 3.7 inch length blade. Blade thickness stock is 0.135. Handle is just a little over a half inch at 0.53, and the overall length is 8.63 inches. So again, it's a pretty good sized knife. Yeah, really, really cool website. I'm glad that he put this together. It looks like he has some awards here too. Yep, there's the Grazioso right here. Everybody knows the Grazioso, I'm sure, if you're familiar with Kaiser knives. Talks a little bit about Sherif. He's an industrial designer, as I mentioned again earlier. Worked in a number of industries in automotive to the burgeoning drone market. Introducing my unique approach to research development designed to create novel solutions for different consumer groups. That's really cool. So if anybody has a chance to talk to Sherif is just he's a super nice guy. He wants everybody in the community to just be happy with the designs that he comes out with, and he's all about customer service. Similar to Devo Knives with Kevin and Colin, just really, really about the whole overall experience with customer service. That was one thing that when I did talk to Sherif, he was really focused on, is just making sure that the experiences for his customers were top notch. And I have to say, this knife is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to zoom out of here a little bit, just really quick, so we can just take again a look at it. Get my mouse out of the way. But you can see this is a really, really well-designed knife. Again, I believe Kaiser did the, pretty sure it was Kaiser that did the OEM for this particular knife. Just a fabulous job. And wow, I will be doing a review of this in more detail at a later time. But I just wanted to do the unboxing for today. For those of you not familiar with Manganas Steel and with the Camino, now you are. So yeah, really awesome knife. And that about does it. So more to come. Looking forward again doing the review on this knife. I have a couple other videos coming up soon that I'm really looking forward to doing as well. So thank you for tuning in. If you have any comments, if you have a Camino that you purchased and you just got yours today, I would love to hear your comments as well. Please like and Please like and subscribe, and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much, and God bless.